Okay, hello, my name is Julius Pagojus, I'm Vice Minister of Justice. Welcome to Lithuania. Unfortunately, I will have to apologize in 10 minutes because I have another meeting in ministry. So, very briefly, from another point of view, not from military point of view, about human rights and what Ministry of Justice does in Lithuania. We are the ministry which represents Lithuania in cases against Lithuania in European Court of Human Rights. So we have a strong interaction with this file, with human rights file, and of course not only that, the legislation which is in the area of human rights. And now we are mainly working in three main areas. One is establishing the National Human Rights Institution in Lithuania, according to Paris principles, because we don't have that yet, and the Ministry of Justice drafted a law some time ago, and now it's that law project is in Parliament. We hope that it will be adopted in upcoming year, and since 2017 we will have a fully working national human rights institution that would work according to Paris principles. The other main area in Ministry of Justice is increasing the how to say, increasing our inmates in prisons and in penitentiaries, their life standards, because most of the cases in European Court of Human Rights against Lithuania is from inmates, because we have a system of prisons and penitentiaries which we have from Soviet Union. Some of our prisons and penitentiaries are built over 100 years ago, and the situation in there is not the one which should be in European country. So we work on that. We're working on building new prisons and new penitentiaries. Of course, it requires major investments, so it's not as fast process as we should like it to be. But we hope that there is a start now, and in several years we can transform all those prisons and penitentiaries which do not meet European principles. And our third goal is to implement decisions in cases against Lithuania in European Court of Human Rights which we lost, which are not still implemented. Glad for us, we are one of those countries in the Council of Europe which has least decisions against it which are not still implemented. We have only 2. In comparison, there are some countries who have several thousand of them, so 2, it's really not that big of a number, and both of those cases we hope will be implemented in the upcoming 2 years, because in one case the laws necessary to implement it are already in Parliament, and in the other case the laws are being drafted in the government and soon will reach the floor of the Parliament. So briefly, those cases. Thank you.